Hey guys, Chance Williams here. These two things right here are two of the most intimidating things on the planet when it comes to boosting a dead battery. What if it's connected backwards? What if I don't get a good connection? And you guys know from using these things that most of the time you get a 50-50 shot of getting a good bite the first time. Well, right now I want to pretty much reinvent the way that you boost a dead battery. I have the first ever patent pending interior automotive jump starting system. Not only interior, exterior. Not only for cars, but for anything with a starter and a battery system. I've installed one on this 2017 Ford F-250 with a 6.7 just to see if it works. So the last year, I have really put this through the ringer, installing on multiple different vehicles just to see the reaction. When I hooked it up to this Ford right here, it's like it had a brand new battery in it. Stick around, watch my customer reactions, watch to the end, to the very end of the video, see how simple it is and how simple it works. Don't be intimidated anymore. It's over with. I want to reinvent the way we boost a dead battery. QR, the future of fast charging. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the video. See you at the end. Plug it in. Go ahead. I just want to see your reaction. I fired up.
Whoa.
Is that not fast?
That is fast.
How quick was it?
Faster than
Amazing, huh?
Do you realize that this is the stuff for when you're in the middle of Wyoming?
All right, go ahead. Tell me what you think.
So far, so good.
Crank it up.
Hey, that's great.
Crank it first. It's dead, ain't it?
Yep.
Now crank it up. What? What do you think?
That's bad.
What do you think? Simplest, easiest install. Simply run your cable. The positive lead on your cable, on your batteries. Make sure that you disconnect the batteries before installing this. If you have two batteries, unhook them. You're going to find out where you want to put your mount. I found out I want to put my mount right here on the side of the vehicle. I'm actually using some Velcro. It's supposed to be some good industrial heavy duty stuff. We're going to see how long it lasts. You come right up here. I found a nice little cubby place to run everything up through here. I installed my dump box that has my fuse and everything. It's inside here. I got one cable lead coming from the connector to here, a jumper going in from here over to my battery positive, and simply install your negative cable here, and you're ready to go. You can run it to the interior. You can run it to the exterior. You can run it pretty much anywhere you want to. It's just like hooking up a battery in your vehicle. Now, once the kit's installed and everything, you simply come out, peel that off, take your cabling, unhook both of your cablings here. They won't go but one way. You can't put them in a reverse direction. You plug it up, and that's simple as that. The box automatically cuts on, and you're ready to go. Now, what happens if the box doesn't cut on and your batteries are actually that dead? Well, right on the side of this box right here, you hold this little button down right here for 3 seconds. As long as that's hooked up, it delivers immediate power to the battery and starts and runs it. That's how easy and fast it is, guys.